my previous video I covered the new Gyrate tool introduced in 2024 major release. This video is on Gyrate-legacy tool. Gyrate-legacy tool does not support dynamic selections, so you need to interactively select your index group from index file. Unlike new Gyrate tool, Gyrate-legacy tool allows you to optionally output autocorrelation function values. It determines correlation of gyration among two or more equal parts of your trajectory. Gyrate-legacy tool has a simple command line interface. You specify trajectory file, file with topological parameters, file with index groups, and the output file or files if you want to also determine autocorrelation. As with new Gyrate tool, Gyrate-legacy tool outputs a file with total gyration and gyration about each axis, X, Y, or Z. Optionally, you also obtain a file with autocorrelation function values. By default, Gyrate-legacy tool splits your trajectory into two parts of equal lengths. Then it computes pairwise correlation for each value of these two parts. Thank you for your time and let me know if you had any troubles.